I'm Charles Boda, and this is your Diz Daily Fix for May 15th, 2018. The debut of Disney California Adventure's Pixar Pier is right around the corner. And if you want to be part of an exclusive group that will get to experience the newly rethemed land a day early, you'll have to act soon. Pixar Pier opens on June 23rd, but the Disneyland Resort has announced a special VIP-style premiere party set for June 22nd. Guests at the event will be able to begin experiencing all that Pixar Pier has to offer starting at 3 p.m. They'll be able to ride the new Incredicoaster, take a spin on the newly rethemed Pixar Pal-Around, and test their skills on the classic Toy Story Midway Mania. The rethemed Games of the Boardwalk will also be available. To highlight the land's new food offerings, the event will include one item from each of the park's newly themed Pixar Pier eateries, including Poultry Palace, Angry Dogs, Jack Jack's Cookie Num Nums, Senor Buzz Churros, and Adorable Snowman Frosted Treats. Guests will also get a look at the upper level of the Lamplight Lounge. Attendees can enjoy Pixar-themed entertainment, character encounters, and photo locations, plus new Pixar Pier merchandise will be available for sale. The event ends at 9 o'clock, but guests can stick around Disney California Adventure till the park closes at 10 p.m. Tickets go on sale tomorrow, May 16th, and will run you a hefty $299 each. Included with your ticket is free standard parking, an event credential, souvenir swag bag, and unlimited PhotoPass downloads. If you're interested, you'll want to grab that right away, as availability is quite obviously limited. Now, Epcot's Japan Pavilion has added a new eatery to its roster, and this one will be a signature table service restaurant. The new dining location will draw elements, according to Disney, from both nature and takumi, which means artisan in Japanese, and the relationship between Japanese craftsmanship and the natural world will be evident throughout the space. It will be operated by Mitsukoshi USA, which handles the merchandise, restaurants, and kiosks that currently exist in the Japan Pavilion. An opening date for the new establishment has not yet been announced. And lastly, Disney has released details on some new merchandise offerings. To start, they've created a new Rainbow Mickey collection in celebration of Pride Month, which takes place this June. Shoppers will be able to find a diverse assortment of rainbow regalia to help them celebrate their love of Disney and love in general. The list of items includes ear hats, tank tops, pins, sunglasses, and much more, all in rainbow and prominently displaying the word love. Prices for the collection range from around $10 to $13 on the low end for the pins and $25 to $30 on the higher end for shirts and tank tops. Pick something up yourself at shopdisney.com. In celebration of a much more specific love, Disney has also announced merchandise to commemorate the upcoming wedding of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Teacups and saucers, mugs, tea towels, ceramic bells, trinket boxes, and a 24-karat gold gilded commemorative plate, all of those with images of the couple, will be available at, appropriately enough, Epcot's United Kingdom Pavilion in the shop located between the Tea Caddy and the Queen's Table. I have to confess, I will never understand people's love of royal weddings, but they seem to make folks happy, and I suppose that just because I don't understand it doesn't mean it's wrong for anyone else. Now, Toy Story Land is all set to open on June 30th, and a lot of people are excited to see what Disney Imagineers have made of the popular Pixar property. Not everybody is eagerly anticipating its debut, though. In today's featured article, Why Can't I Get Myself to Care About Toy Story Land?, Mike Hughes breaks down exactly why this new land's opening doesn't feel as significant to him as some of those in the past, or some of the ones slated for the future. Now, whether you're spending sleepless nights laying in your bed imagining Toy Story splendor, or you're tapping your toes waiting around for the Galaxy's Edge debut, give this article a read today. Now, trending on the boards today is a thread that was started by poster Vic B on our Theme Parks Attractions and Strategies forums. The thread is entitled One and Dones and Things That Met Expectations, and includes a list of shops, attractions, and restaurants that the family experienced during their Walt Disney World vacation, along with what they liked or didn't like about each and whether or not they do them again. Stop by disboards.com to join in on that discussion yourself and share your thoughts. Of course, join us today at 1 o'clock for the Diz Unplugged Walt Disney World edition, where we'll cover this week's news and engage in some lively Disney discussion. Check that out on DizUnplugged.com at 1 p.m. today. And for your weather today, Orlando will have cloudy skies with thunderstorms in the afternoon, a high of 83 and a low of 71. Those in Anaheim will have a cloudy morning leading into a sunny day, a high of 73 and a low of 56. Now, for information on everything I've mentioned, go to wdwinfo.com/dailyfix. And that'll be it for me today. But join us again tomorrow for another installment of your Diz Daily Fix.